In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix web page not available on Google Sheets. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if your Google Sheets is returning this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If you're using Google Sheets on your browser like this one, then you may want to try and download Google Sheets app and see if that works. In most cases, now you should be able to use your Google Sheets using the app version. However, if the app still fails or you're using the app and it failed, then go to settings and then look for apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Sheets like that. Tap on it to open. Here, go to for stop app and OK, and then go to clear data and clear cache and OK. Finally, clear all data. Restart your smartphone, and before you try to open Google Sheets, make sure that you're not using any VPN. If you have one, you may want to uninstall it or turn it off and see if this works. You also want to check and ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. However, if that fails, then go ahead and look for Google Play Store or App Store, and here search for Google Sheets and then check and see if you have any update. Update your app to the latest version. Now at this point, everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.